Kia ora, and welcome back to the gallery classroom. Today's workshop is all about what's hidden. We're going to conceal and then reveal. And we're going to take a magazine picture like this and cover up certain parts of the face with tape, paint over it, and when the paint's dry, we're going to peel the tape off again. So it's nice and easy, but you get some surprising results. That's the thing I like about this workshop. You never quite know what's going to happen. So look at this one. I covered up important parts of her face, especially the eyes and other parts here like the nose, painted over with purple, and then I peeled the tape off. So I used masking tape. Now this is how masking tape usually comes, and that would work okay, but if you pay a bit more you get low tack masking tape, and that's the green one, or they say the purple one's the really good one, but this one works just fine, and this is less likely to rip your magazine picture, so that's why I use the green one. So I'm going to show you some pictures that I'm going to use, and then you'll see the results later. So here's a tiger, here's a face, Tony de la Tour artwork, a family, a lady wearing sunglasses, and a soldier. So I wonder what they're going to look like by the time I've finished concealing and revealing. Well, I can't wait to find out. Let's get going. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Now, here they are finished. One thing you have to know is that not all of them are going to turn out well. Here's one that I just don't like. I just don't think it works, so I'm just going to throw that one away. But now, look at this one. I just love the way this stands out against the white. And I love the shapes that it makes. I like everything about it, so I think that's a great one. Sometimes you can add things, like this soldier, I decided to add a poppy because it tells more of a story. And here's the tiger, and I decided to cut it down and mount it on orange because that helps bring out the colour of the tiger. Look at this one. I like the red because red's really thin. You can see right through the paint to the photograph underneath, and I really like that, so red was a good choice for this one. But here's one of my favorites. I just like the colors and the patterns and the shapes. Somehow it all came together and worked out really well. And what about this one? This is the one where I did a landscape picture on the top. Now I didn't like all the ripping down the bottom, so I decided just to paint over and paint that sea again. But I love the way that face appears amongst the sky. The sky almost looks like her hair. So I'm really happy with that one too. This is a kind of artwork where you can just try out ideas. Don't worry if things don't always work out, but when you get a good one, you'll be really pleased with it. So try that out, and we'll catch you on another workshop. Bye for now.